Imagine this. You walk into your office tomorrow morning. The lights hum, the computers boot up, and everyone is at their desks. But something feels different. Your colleague in accounting? Gone. Replaced by a program that balances the books in seconds. The analyst who used to spend weeks crunching numbers? A dashboard now spits out predictions in real time. Artificial intelligence isn't coming someday. It's already here, quietly rewriting the rules of the corporate world. The boring, repetitive work that once filled 8 hours of your day, soon it might take AI just 8 seconds. For decades, corporations have run on human effort, reports, emails, endless meetings under fluorescent lights. But AI changes everything. Imagine tools that can draft full presentations in seconds, scan thousands of contracts and highlight risks instantly, monitor global markets and predict shifts before they happen. Tasks that once took hours, days, even entire teams, are now shrinking into moments. In the old model, people were the engine. In the new model, AI is the engine, and people are becoming the drivers. The rapid rise of AI in business is undeniable. From automated customer service to data analysis, AI is becoming an integral part of daily operations. This shift naturally brings up a major question, and one that is also a curious paradox. If AI can do the work, what happens to the workers? Is this the end of human jobs as we know it? Picture this. HR managers replaced by AI bots that scan resumes, conduct video interviews, and rank candidates. Market analysts replaced by predictive dashboards that never sleep. Even CEOs guided by AI strategy engines that test 1,000 business decisions at once. If corporations follow the cold logic of efficiency, millions of jobs could vanish. And history tells us that when technology disrupts work, it rarely asks for permission. In reality, the companies that will truly thrive won't be the ones that replace humans with AI, but the ones that successfully merge the two, fostering powerful collaboration. Corporations don't succeed by cutting, they succeed by creating. The winners won't be those that replace humans with AI. The winners will be those that merge humans with AI. What will this new world look like? We'll see humans and AI working side by side, creating new roles, accelerating innovation, and achieving unprecedented levels of efficiency. Imagine teams where AI drafts the raw report, but humans turn it into a story that inspires action. AI predicts trends, but humans choose the path that aligns with culture and values. AI negotiates the deal, but humans close it with trust and empathy. The future isn't man versus machine, it's man with machine. So what will this corporate future look like? 3 paths are emerging. 1. The AI-first corporation. Lean, automated, ruthless. Every task measured, optimized, digitized. These companies will dominate in speed, but may sacrifice soul. 2. The human-AI hybrid. Here, employees evolve into AI conductors. They orchestrate intelligent systems while focusing on creativity, empathy, and vision. These organizations could strike the perfect balance of efficiency and humanity. 3. The resistant few, companies that cling to the old ways. More paperwork, more meetings, slower decisions. History shows us the typewriter didn't stop the computer, and the horse carriage didn't stop the car. These companies risk fading into irrelevance. The question is, which path will your workplace choose? The near future of corporate life is not just about technology, it's about identity. If AI can do the work, then what does it mean to work? The answer may be that jobs are not disappearing, but evolving. Tomorrow's workers may not be accountants, analysts, or assistants. They may be AI trainers, workflow designers, and ethical overseers who shape how machines make decisions. The challenge for employees isn't to compete with AI, but to partner with it. The challenge for corporations isn't to cut costs, but to earn trust in a world run by intelligent systems. And the challenge for all of us? To remain deeply human in a digital world.